Hi guys! This is Earn with Ate Rio and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Kung bago ka pa lang dito, wag mo nang kalimutang mag-subscribe and i-hit mo rin po yung notification bell para notified ka sa tuwing may bago akong upload. So for today's video ay maikling tutorial about sa ating tax. Okay, so alam nyo naman may bago sa YouTube na may mga tax na nga daw tayo. So sa US tax. So hindi ko sure kung badges nga ba ito sa ating mga small YouTubers na kagaya ko. So, syempre, kung maliit ang ating revenue, tas may tax pang ibabawas, lalo nang mauubusan. So, yun guys, sa mga nahihirapan mag-fill up ng kanilang tax information sa kanilang mga Google AdSense, ang video na to ay para po sa inyo. So, may nag-email sa akin kahapon guys, important, upcoming tax changes to your YouTube earnings. So, sa the YouTube team siya galing. So, ito yung email nila. We're reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US. Later this year, as early as June 2021, over the next few weeks, we'll be asking you to submit your tax info in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. If your tax info isn't provided by May 31, 2021, Google may be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So guys, kailangan talaga natin na ilagay yung ating information, yung tax info natin. So, nandito rin guys yung what do I need to do, why is this happening, how will my earnings be impacted. Sa mga nakatanggap ng email guys, basahin nyo siya, no? Tapos, pumunta na tayo sa aking Google AdSense. So, eto guys, nandito na tayo kay Google AdSense. So, makikita nyo dyan sa bandang taas na merong message. Ayan. Check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So guys, makikita nyo dyan, meron dyang manage, tax info, learn more, and dismiss. So, pwede nyo i-click itong manage tax info para mas madali. Ayan, so, as you can see guys, na-approve na yung aking tax info. Makikita nyo dyan na approve. And then, meron dito yung mga motion picture and TV, other copyright, and services. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung form kasi nakapag-submit na ako ng form dito. So, click ko lang tong submit new form. Ayan. So, ito yung unang-una yung makikitang tanong. Okay. So, to find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. Okay. So, ang account natin is individual lang. So, after nyan, click nyo yung next. And then, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So, kung wala ka naman sa United States, click mo lang yung no. Okay. So, dito sa select W8 tax form type, so, yung W8BEN is, this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. And yung W8ECI is, this form is most commonly used by a non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files a US income tax return. So, ang pipili natin guys is yung W8BEN. So, start W8BEN form. So, ito na yung form guys. Makikita nyo dyan yung name of individual. So, yung pangalan nyo. And then, country of citizenship. So, kung saan kayong country, ayan, piliin nyo lang. So, syempre, nasa Pilipinas tayo. Okay, Philippines. And then, ito na yung sa taxpayer identification number. So, sa foreign TIN, guys. So, kung wala ka kayo sa US, dito kayo. Or kung saan man kayo, saan galing yung inyong TIN number, yun yung ilalagay nyo dito. So, ako kasi nasa Pilipinas. So, dito ako maglalagay ng aking TIN number. Sa foreign TIN. So, ilagay nyo lang dyan yung TIN number nyo. Okay. Ayan. So, click nyo lang yung next. Ayan. So guys, paalala lang pala sa inyong mga pangalan. Kung meron kayong mga enye or tuldok, tanggalin nyo po yun. So, enye, gawin nyo lang siyang N. Okay. So, next natin siya. And then, nandito na yung address. Okay. So, click nyo lamang dito sa address. Ayan. Sagutan nyo lang siya, guys. And then, yung province nyo, kung saan yung inyong province. Okay, and then next natin. Ayan, so tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So dito guys, ang sinagot ko lang is yes. Okay, resident of the country claiming treaty with the US. So click ko lang din to. And then, pwede mo namang hanapin dito yung country mo kung nandyan ka. So kapag nandyan ka, tama lang na mag-claim ka ng treaty sa US. Ayan. So, dito naman guys, kinlik ko lang to lahat kasi applicable naman to lahat sa atin. So, click mo lang yung services na yan. Ayan. Sagutan mo lang yung mga yan. 0%, ganyan. Click mo lang. Click mo lang siya lahat. Ayan. 15%. Click lang ulit. Ayan. Article, ganyan. 15%. And then, click lang ulit. And then, next natin. Ayan. Okay. So, ito na yung form guys. Pwede nyo i-review yung form, and then after yung ma-review nyo kung tama naman yung mga sinagot nyo, i-click nyo lang tong I confirm. Click nyo lang yung I confirm and then click nyo tong next. Ayan, so ito na yung certification guys. Basahin nyo yung mabuti para maintindihan nyo kung bakit ba tayo nagki-claim ng treaty dito kay US. So dito guys, yung signature natin is yung full legal name lang yung ilalagay natin. So click nyo lang yung inyong legal, alagay nyo lang yung inyong legal name. Okay? So, yes, I am the person kung ikaw nga talaga yan. And then, next mo lang. So, dito, has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services for Google within US? So, ako sinagot ko no. And then, kinlik ko lang to. So, status change affidavit. So, dito guys, ang kinlik ko is yung pangalawa. So, I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. So, ito yung kinlik ko. Pero, bahala na kayo guys kung yung una ba or yung pangalawa yung i-click nyo. So, submit nyo lang siya. Okay? So, pag na-submit nyo nga at ganyan, at okay naman, ganyan yung makikita nyo guys. So, approve na siya and then na-claim nyo na yung mga tax dito na 15%. Ganyan. So, yun guys, okay na to. So, yun lang para sa tutorial na to. Sana ay nakatulong ako sa inyo. Kung nakatulong man ako guys, huwag nyo nang kalimutang mag-subscribe and pakilike na rin po ang video na to. Maraming salamat!